Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2573PA. 64,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, true blue in color. Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable WeatherTech mat for easy cleaning. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. The driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, heating and air conditioning, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional under-seat storage. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.